The many uses of ChatGPT. How to make money with ChatGPT, a revolutionary tool for businesses and organizations. Hello and welcome to Knowledge in Pieces. In this video, we'll explore the various ways in which ChatGPT is being used and how it can be used in the future. One of the most common applications of ChatGPT is in customer support. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can provide 24/7 assistance to customers, answering frequently asked questions and providing information about products and services. ChatGPT can also be used in education to provide personalized learning experiences to students. In the finance industry, ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized investment advice and help customers manage their finances. In healthcare, ChatGPT can be used to assist medical professionals in diagnosing and treating patients. ChatGPT can also be used in marketing to provide personalized recommendations to customers. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize language translation by providing accurate translations in real time. It can also be used in creative writing to generate new and original content. ChatGPT can be used to monitor social media for mentions of a company or brand, improving customer engagement and reputation management. It can power virtual assistants such as Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant, providing more accurate and relevant responses to user queries. ChatGPT can also be used to automate writing tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on more complex tasks. Affiliate marketing is another potential use for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Improve customer satisfaction, provide personalized experiences, increase efficiency. Using ChatGPT, businesses and organizations can. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting applications of ChatGPT in the future. Please subscribe to our channel, Knowledge in Pieces, on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at Knowledge in Pieces for more informative content. Thank you for watching.